lies, seduction, betrayal. This isn't a spy thriller. This is happening right now, in India's most powerful corridors. You think honey traps are just about scandalous affairs? Think again. They're weapons, designed to manipulate power, steal secrets, and sometimes bring down entire governments. And the worst part? You won't even realize you're trapped until it's too late. March 2025, a revelation so explosive, it sent shockwaves across the nation. Karnataka Minister K.N. Rajana drops a bombshell. 48 politicians, yes, 48, have been caught in a massive honey trap scandal. Secret tapes, blackmail, a government in crisis. But here's where it gets darker. There are rumors of more tapes, and what's on them could change Indian politics forever. 1917, the world was at war. And one woman changed history. Mata Hari, an exotic dancer, a seductress, and a double agent. She lured powerful military officers into her trap, feeding secrets to German intelligence. Until she was caught and executed. Fast forward to the Cold War. The KGB's swallows, elite female spies trained to seduce Western officials for state secrets. The CIA wasn't far behind, deploying their own agents, using sex as a weapon. And if the world's superpowers were using honey traps back then, just imagine the scale of these operations in India today. 2005, the infamous naval war room leak. A scandal that shook India's military to its core. It started as a routine corruption case. But soon, the truth emerged. Top secret defense documents leaked. And the mastermind, Ravi Shankaran, a relative of the then naval chief. Then came 2019, the Indian Army's worst nightmare. Over 150 fake social media accounts honey-trapped officers, leaking highly classified intelligence. And this is where it gets personal. Because honey traps don't just target politicians and soldiers, they target you. Meet Rohit. A college student, young, carefree, just like you. One day he meets a girl online. She's stunning, smart, interested in him. Weeks go by, flirty messages turn into deep conversations. They exchange personal photos. But what Rohit doesn't know, she isn't real. Blackmail, threats, money demands. And Rohit isn't alone. Innocent victims, blackmailed, manipulated, ruined. Some even driven to suicide. Listen carefully. Because what I'm about to tell you could save your life. Be wary of strangers online. If someone's too eager, question why. Never share private information, even minor details can be used against you. Verify identities. If someone claims to be a journalist, researcher, or admirer, cross-check their credentials. If you're being blackmailed, report immediately. Honey traps aren't a conspiracy theory. They are real. They are happening right now. And the only way to fight them is to know the truth. Like, share, subscribe. Because the more people know the truth, the harder it becomes for these traps to work.